So when you're injured at the home of another person's, oftentimes they will have homeowner's coverage, which is an insurance policy that covers their liability for any injuries that occur on their property. It also usually will cover injuries that occur not because of their fault, they just happen to occur to guests on the property as well. So not just whether they're liable under the law, legally for the damages that were negligent, but also if they weren't negligent, you just had to be injured. Oftentimes there's coverage for that as well. But homeowners policies are mandatory, generally speaking, for anybody who is mortgaging their home. So if you are at a home, it's a nice house, but they're paying off their mortgage payments, the mortgage carrier would usually require that they also carry a large homeowner's liability insurance policy as well. So there should be policy. In theory, there's policies on just about every home around. Sometimes, we've seen cases where there isn't. Usually they're really old homes or really small homes that are fully paid off. But generally speaking, they are covering like 95% of the homes that we're aware of. So long story short, if you're injured on the property, you can make a claim under that homeowner's policy. And they will cover things like your medical expenses, your lost wages, your impaired earning capacity, your pain and suffering. So all the general types of damages you're allowed to recover in any civil case, they would then cover those types of damages. There's various exclusions in certain homeowners policies based on the activities at the house at the time. So you want a lawyer that's savvy in that area, that understands the law, understands how to read those policies. It can make sure you have a viable claim under the policy. You also want a lawyer that's willing to fight for you, frankly, because a lot of times homeowner carriers, they try to deny the claims based on hokey theories, and a good lawyer can point out why they're wrong, force them to the table, and ultimately they accept the claim and process the claim. So, obviously I'm a lawyer. The pitch is that, to hire lawyers, but there's good reason as to why you'd want to do that, particularly in a homeowner's policy context.